Fact. The bizarre phenomenon of blood rain. Explained. It rains red in some parts of the world. Red rain, also known as blood rain, occurs when high concentrations of colored dust or particles carried from deserts mix with rain, altering its hue. Experts say red rain happens a few times a year in the UK, and more commonly in countries such as Spain and the south of France, which are closer to the Sahara Desert, reports the BBC. Blood rain has also shown up in countries in Asia and the Middle East.